Anything that makes you feel good in moderation is good for you.
Yeah.
So Isel and I have a glass of wine with our salad.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's get started.
But yeah,
So right now we're going to put the salad together. They're not only healthy for your skin, but they're healthy internally and they help you feel good. And they're great food. So
and I get compliments from people on how good my skin looks. Well, this is why. Because
oh my gosh, it's amazing. But I did forget, you know what I forgot is to add a little bit, Isel and I love
onions.
And onions are so good for you.
They're anti-inflammatory too.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
they are,
they're
and
very good.
And they taste so good.
Yes. So for all of you who don't like onions, you better start liking them
And
because
it's
they'll keep you healthy.
That's right. It's just Isela and I tonight. So. This is my lemon butter salmon. Okay. Is that the easiest dressing?
Yeah, it is the easiest dressing.
Makes it
And it's healthy.
so
Again,
good.
healthy skin begins with healthy food.
Food, yes.
Right.
Yes, healthy skin begins with
Yeah.
healthy food.
Love the fact that she takes care of her health because she wants her skin to look healthy. And
Exactly.
this is
the dressing.
this is her secret right here.
Oh my gosh. You know, the nice thing about healthy food too is that it fills you up and it's full of fiber, full of vitamins and antioxidants. So you feel good, but you feel really full. And it's so satisfying. It's just taking the time to make the salad. So there you go, Isela.
This is wonderful, Michelle.
Go.
All right, let's
Wish
have
you
fun.
guys- Wish you guys were here.
Yes. We're gonna be healthy.
That's right. That's right. It's so healthy. Does that
Yes.
look good?
Oh my God, that looks delicious, Michelle.
Okay,
Beautiful.
let's try it out. Let's see how it
Yeah.
tastes.
Thank you.
Thank you.